Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of June 20th, 2017. I always think that name's funny because markets don't make sense most of the time. We're going to look at charts that come from the Trade Navigator software that's provided to us by Genesis. And looking at a weekly bond market here, not a lot going on. I mean, it kind of looks okay, but it kind of doesn't. What I mean by that is we were looking at support here around 155.19 to 20 if they were going to continue to trend up hard. And they've kind of sort of held that. I mean, they went all the way to '09. That's not certainly not holding it to the tick, but it looks like they're kind of holding that support and want to move higher. The next resistance would be around 156, 24, 25, somewhere in this area. They don't have that super authoritative look like they really want to blow out, but at the same time, you can see they're higher than they've been in, gosh, how many weeks is that? Going way back into the fall of 2016. So, they're showing strength. I wouldn't be anxious to jump in front of them for any reason. It was awful tough to buy that support, though, because, like I said, 10 ticks through, that was pretty sloppy. Didn't look like they were holding that. If they turn and break back down to 154.19 or so, which is what this middle moving average is, that can't be a complete surprise. But right now, it looks like they're holding a higher support and just not really rallying that strongly yet. And I don't think we've got enough news scheduled for this week to be a real driver, so not sure what the catalyst might be. Stocks have got, well, quite a different situation here. We were looking at resistance in the 24.46-47 area, and speaking of sloppy, they got quite a bit above that. I think 51.50 is the high so far for the week already, but they seem to be failing up here. Now we're looking at support in the 24, 27, 28 area, this middle moving average. And I would still be interested in looking to buy if they get down there Wednesday, but um, they're just kind of looking suspiciously toppy to me. Now, I'm not a guy who wants to predict the all-time high, believe me, and suspiciously toppy is certainly a technical term you don't hear every day. But that's kind of how I'm looking at them. They're making me a little nervous here, and I'll need good evidence to buy the support because, could they be down to this lower moving average here in the 24.10 area? Yeah, I think they could. They're just not looking that strong to me. So, hate to argue with new highs, but they just look a little shaky to me. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself involved with.